Welcome back to CineTech. Today we're looking at the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. This compact drone boasts a 1-inch CMOS camera, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and active track 360, making it a compelling option for creators on the go. Check the link in the description for the best price. This drone excels in several key areas, proving its worth for specific users. Its portability and fantastic image quality make it a top choice for capturing breathtaking travel footage. With comprehensive obstacle sensing, new pilots can fly with much greater confidence and safety. The upgraded Active Track 360 system reliably locks onto subjects, making complex tracking shots effortless. Thanks to its larger 1-inch sensor, it still performs respectably in dimmer conditions, though it's not its primary strength. When it comes to what this drone can handle, it really shines for travel creators, offering. Considering the cost, does this drone deliver on its promises? You get a lot of advanced technology, including a top-tier camera and smart tracking, for a drone of this size. DJI's reputation for building high-quality, reliable drones is a major factor that adds to the perceived value. While there are other mini drones, the Mini 5 Pro offers a compelling package of features that often surpasses its. Don't expect major discounts right away, as new DJI releases typically hold their value and don't go on sale often. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is an investment, but for those who need its advanced camera, let's look at the potential issues and complaints buyers should be aware of. DJI's commitment to build quality means this drone feels robust and should hold up well to regular use. You can generally expect consistent and reliable performance from DJI's well-tested drone technology. DJI provides a standard warranty and has established customer support channels, which is reassuring. A key risk is app availability. Ensure the DJI Fly app is accessible in your region or download directly from. The drone itself is well built, but potential buyers should be mindful of the high price point. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a standout mini drone, particularly for travel creators and beginners who want advanced features in a portable package. While the price is higher than many drones, the quality of the camera and the intelligent flight systems justify the cost for serious users.